नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं एडवोकेट विपिन पाठक, practicing at Mumbai High Court and all the other subordinate courts in Mumbai and Thane. Friends, today I am going to discuss regarding Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. The main point, when the jurisdiction comes to Mumbai Small Causes Court, where there is dispute between landlord and tenant occurs, then jurisdiction comes to the Small Causes Court, Mumbai. So friends, let us discuss. The first point is, what is the definition of landlord and what is the definition of tenant? So we'll have to go through the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. There are mainly 60 sections provided in Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. Previously it was Bombay Rent Act. After change, it is named as the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, Maharashtra Act number 18 of 2000. So, as I told you previously that there are mainly 60 sections provided. So, in the section 7, mainly the definitions are given. So, it is most necessary that before discussing all other things, we should know what is the definition of landlord and what is the definition of tenant. So, let us discuss. For the specific definition, I would like to read the definition of landlord and definition of tenant. As in section 7 of Maharashtra Rent Control Act it is provided. Section 7 says, section 7 subsection 3, this is the definition of landlord. This is very technical, that's why I would like to read it so that it could help to the practitioners, new practitioners as well as students. Landlord means any person who is for the time being receiving or entitled to receive rent in respect of any premises, whether on his own account or on account or on behalf or for the benefit of any other person, or who would so receive the rent or be entitled to receive the rent if the premises were let to a tenant, and includes any person not being a tenant who from time to time derives title under a landlord, and further includes in respect of his subtenant a tenant who has sublet any premises, and also includes in respect of a licensee deemed to be a tenant under the provision of the Bombay Rent, Hotel and Lodging House Rent Control Act 1947. The licensor who has given premises on license and in respect of the state government, or as the case may be, the government allottee referred to in subclause B of clause 2 deemed to be a tenant by section 27, the person who was entitled to receive the rent if the premises were let to a tenant immediately before the 7th December 1996. That is before the coming into force of Bombay Rents, Hotel and Lodging House Rate Control, Bombay Land Acquisition and Bombay Government Premises Eviction Amendment Act 1996. So this is the definition of landlord.